Hey y'all, this is Miss Star. Before we go forward, I want you to know that I did the mistake of taking the entire wig down, then cutting it shoulder length, instead of just cutting the ponytail shorter and trimming the bangs. However, because I did that, this is the steps I had to do next. First, I separated some of the bangs from the rest of the hair. Then, I used my brush to brush out all of the tangles. Then, I gathered what I could of both the blue side and the pink side, making the ponytails as high as I could get them. Then, using my brush, I brushed the tangles out of the ponytails. Then, I used my scissors to cut the back of the wig. Then, taking my scissors, I roughly cut the ponytails shorter, like this. Now, of course, I use my scissors to roughly cut the bangs shorter, like this. Now, using these colored hairsprays, I'm going to add a little more color to the wig. Thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you like what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. Keep updated on what's going on next on Twitter and Instagram, and also support us on Patreon to become a big part of our StarTv family.